Hey, what's up guys, Ollie here. So I finally got my hands on the Galaxy S10. I actually went for the S10, not the S10 Plus, because I feel like the S10 is probably the most common model that most people are going to order. And I got this one in Prism Black. So let's open it up. So yeah, pretty simple packaging, pretty simple box, cardboard, black. I got it in black, so I assume you get the black box. And this is actually my first Android phone in a while. I think the last Galaxy phone I ever used was the Samsung Galaxy S2, which was a long time ago. But yeah, it comes in the box. Oh, it feels great already. It feels fantastic. It feels very solidly built. I really like it. And obviously I got the Prism Black, which looks great. I'll take that off in a second. In the box you get power brick, fast charging power brick, which is fantastic. So you have to fast charge your phone. Also get a USB to normal USB adapter in here, which is pretty neat. And then I assume the USB cable in here, and then you also get the AKG headphones as well. So let's get onto the phone. Let's unpeel it. Oh, that is incredibly satisfying. Is there one on the front, or is that it? No, there is one on the front. Let's see if I can get to it. Or is that a screen protector? I'm not sure actually. It can't be a screen protector on here. I got it. There we go. Yeah, not gonna lie, that was incredibly satisfying. Okay, and if we turn it on. So first impressions actually, it feels lighter than I expected. It feels very, very light. Doesn't feel like it's really dense, but it's not a bad thing. I think it actually feels very, very good. It feels very good in the hand. I really, really like it. The buttons are really, really nice and clicky. I really like this Prism Black. I mean, obviously it's got a ton of fingerprints on it already. A ton of fingerprints. But obviously you have the triple camera set up at the back. And obviously the S10 only has the one cutout at the top. I really like the sort of gunmetal band that goes around the edge. Oh, I still think actually there's a bit more wrapping left on it. Yes, there is. There we go. Yeah, I think it looks fantastic. And the screen straight away is incredibly sharp. You can see the hole punch camera hole there in the screen, which is very nice. I think it definitely looks better than the notch, I think. But hey, I'm going to be using it for the next few weeks and I'll really sort of judge it and give a proper judgment of it once I do my review. But yeah, I think it looks fantastic. I really, really like the silver gunmetal sort of grey edge. And obviously you've got the fingerprint sensor in the middle as well, which I will also be judging in my review. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So this is just a quick unboxing, first impressions. I'm really looking forward to using this over the next 2 weeks, see what it's like, see how I get on with it. You know, I am an iPhone user, so yeah, I'm moving over to Android to see what it's like after a couple of years of not using Android. So here's my iPhone next to it. It's just a little bit bigger, but you can really see how big that notch is at the top of the iPhone compared to the cutout sort of in the Galaxy S10. And you can also see that the bezels are actually thinner around the edges on the Galaxy S10, I'd say. Yeah, I think I'd definitely say they're thinner compared to the iPhone. But there is obviously a little bit of a notch at the bottom and a little bit of a notch at the top. But you know what? I feel like it still looks fantastic. I think it still looks great. Review will be coming in the next week or two. I'm going to see what it's like over the next week or two. Take some pictures, use it as my main phone for a little while, see what it's like, see what Android is like as well, see what Samsung's UI is like on top of Android as well, and basically just share my experience. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for the review, and thanks for watching.